sonso este salmón. No saben lo que se pierden. Ahí están. Ahora estoy yendo rumbo a Cash Creek. Estamos arrancando bien tarde, son las 12. Y nada, la verdad que... ¿cuál es el apuro? ¿Y qué fue lo que pasó? Bueno, compré con la máquina. No, it's okay.
How many burgers do you need? Are you looking for one more burger? Or you just need one?
Ah, it's okay.
Just need one. We can refund. Oh. Alright.
It's okay.
Thank you.
It's okay. Just the water, please. ¿Qué fue lo que pasó? ¿La máquina?
1 second and you drink, okay?
Sure
No me-
thing.
And the drink.
Oh.
Have a good day.
La máquina no me largaba los papelitos. Compré una, compré dos y no me larga papel. Entonces pruebo en otra máquina. Ahí me largo el papel, que es este comprobante. Y cuando vengo acá, thank you, bro.
Enjoy your meal.
Aló.
That's 206.
Entonces, ¿qué fue lo que pasó? Cuando vengo acá a la barra a retirar 3 hamburguesas. Te las pagué igual, o sea, no fueron gratis. Pero bueno, ya estaba. ¿Qué le vamos a hacer? Es parte de la aventura, de los mistakes. Yo que no quería comer mucho, pasé por un antojito, 3 burgers para mí. Está empezando el calorcito, gente. Me estoy muriendo de calor. ¡Qué bueno! Volver al calor. ¡Ay, qué bueno, gente! Voy a tener que cambiar los guantes, ponerme los de veranito de vuelta, sacarme la campera, la otra que traigo. ¡Qué bueno! ¡Yii! Calorcito. Se viene el Caribe. Tampoco Caribe. Pero bueno, un par de días de calor. Vienen bien, vienen bien, vienen bien. Uy, 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 uy. It's real wild.
Yeah. 14, 15, please.
Okay.
All right.
Maybe we have good lucky.
Maybe,
You know,
yeah.
It's not difficult fishing, no?
If they're biting, they're biting.
Fine.
Yeah.
No.
Something to do.
Okay.
It's like a lot of things like that. I mean, if you want to go out and just sort of have some fun, you're probably going to catch something.
Yeah.
If you're really hungry, probably not. Right?
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Bueno, eres Patrick.
Yeah, Patrick.
Yo dejé la moto afuera y salió y me dice, disculpa, ¿te puedo hacer una nota? Entendiendo en mi inglés. Y bueno, me hizo una nota acá supuestamente para su radio, su diario. Y recién le pregunto, disculpa, no me acuerdo cómo era tu nombre. Patrick. Y es Patrick como Peter Parker. Guarda que después el...
Yeah.
A lo tuyo, güey.
It's like Spider-Man.
I have a lot of time for things on motorcycle.
Yeah.
I know, it's a lot of change my mind. This trip
Yeah.
changed my mind and my life.
Yeah.
I have a friend, he made the same travel,
Yeah.
and he tell me when you finish this trip, your mind change.
Yeah.
It's real, no? You can feel it different,
Yeah.
all the stuff. For example, you can feel in one shower.
Yeah.
You really enjoy one shower.
Yeah.
No, and when I was in Alaska, when a couple of old people
Yeah.
invite me in your home, and when I take your shower, big shower,
Yeah.
machine shower, very hot, it fue como, if it's real great.
Yeah.
Enjoy this, your bed,
Yeah.
your, I don't know what do you say when
When you're sleeping? Or,
yeah, when you're sleeping, but your no es towel.
Are you talking about blankets?
The
or-
blanket.
Yeah.
I really enjoy your blanket, very soft.
Yeah.
Entonces, it's really nice. Appreciate this small stuff que normal life, the people normal life don't think.
Right. So it makes you kind of appreciate the little things.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I am more sensible
Yeah.
for a lot of stuff, no?
Yeah.
For talk the people, for see, for como, you are more sensitive.
Yeah.
But it's hard when I start, when I stop, continue this life.
Yeah.
Because porque you again start the normal life.
Yeah.
No, entonces it's important to remember.
Yeah.
For quiet.
Right.
No? And which is important? The big fun, the money.
Yeah.
It's not important.
Right.
When you're dad, you are dad. Your big truck, your big home, it's nothing.
Yeah.
Just the 5, 10, 12 people remember for you, and this is your life.
Yeah.
This is your life. This is shit.
Yeah.
No?
For sure. And so, are you looking forward to heading back to Argentina, or is
No, real. Then I have 2 passports. I am
Yeah.
Argentino and Italian.
right?
So the next years I go into Australia.
Okay, you're gonna be going to Australia next.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Because in Australia I can get a visa for work
Yeah.
for 2 years.
Okay.
So it's good money in Australia, New Zealand. My idea is stay in Australia for 1 or 2 years for make a good money for
Yeah.
for more yeah,
Yeah.
you know, for future project. But all years I come back to my home for 2 or 3 months.
Yeah. That makes sense.
For me it's important the family.
Yeah. And so you're going to be going back to you're going to be going to Argentina. You're going to be going to Australia, and that's just to work, or are you going to be doing the biking there as well?
Real, my first idea is work.
Yeah.
But real, I would like travel for Australia. No,
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
I think it's crazy. Australia is one country, one, ¿cómo se dice? Europe, America, one
Continents.
continent.
Yeah, you're going to the different continents.
Yeah.
I see. Yeah.
It's crazy. It's one continent. One.
Yeah. Yeah. It's kind of wild, isn't it?
Yeah. It's good visa for work for me.
Yeah. Of course.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How much is for the flight? And in this moment $1,000 my
Right.
flight. So in this moment I think if I pay $1,000 for the flight, no, maybe I can walk
Yeah.
or take my backpack and go to Mexico and use it's $1,000.
Yeah.
And one friend tell me, no, you go in the motorcycle, but the people when you see for you in a motorcycle is different, no? You
Yeah.
go, okay, I like your idea. So I buy the motorcycle. Yo tardé. I late 2 years in start my trip.
Okay.
No, so yeah.
Okay. So just for clarity's sake, so you kind of just were heading out in 2016, just kind of.
Claro, my idea era start in 2015.
2015. Okay.
Yeah.
So you had the original idea in 2015.
Yeah, but start in 2016.
Yeah.
But real, this is my first trip.
Yeah.
I never, I never trip before, no?
So you never done any traveling before this?
No, not traveling
Wow.
before.
So you were kind of inspired just to head out and just travel and kind of, see North America, would it be safe to say, or?
Yeah, North America is very safety.
Yeah.
Time before, no North America, I love Mexico for the people.
Right.
It is the best place for me. But now I know Canada and Alaska is the best.
Yeah.
Because it's real wild.
Yeah.
I think it's the unique place in the world is real wild. I sleep in a tent. So and wild.
Yeah.
No? Wild. And here is great because you can sleep in any place. What do you want? No problem. All the river, all the lake.
Yeah.
If do you want pay campground, you can stay in campground. If no, you can stay wild.
Yeah.
It's unique in the world, I think, no?
Yeah, I see what you're saying. And so when you set out in 2016, were you leaving from Argentina or were you leaving from Mexico?
No, I live in Argentina.
So you left from Argentina is what I'm saying. So
Yes, I started in Argentina.
Okay, so you drove up all the way to Mexico and then eventually.
Yes, I start. My road is Argentina, Bolivia, Peru. In Peru, I break my clavicle.
Yeah.
My clavicle.
Okay.
And so I stay in Peru for 3 years, for 3 months. For 3 months. And after this, go to Ecuador. I was in Ecuador,
Yeah.
Colombia, Colombia, Panama. In Colombia, Panama, you don't have roads,
Right.
the Darien, but you have three options. One is take a flight.
Yep.
Two, take a boat in a big container. Or the third is you can take a small boat for
Yeah.
all the Darien and the small island. This is my road.
Yep.
Take in Colombia start and take a small boat, go to the Panama.
Right.
I travel here for 15 days.
Yep.
Great, very very nice.
Yeah.
After this, Panama, Costa Rica. I live 3 months in Costa Rica. Nicaragua, Honduras, El Salvador. I live 6 months in Guatemala,
Yeah.
Belize, and Mexico.
Okay.
Yeah.
And so, how long did it take you to go through South America like that?
South America in 1 year.
South America was all in 1 year.
South America in 1 year.
Yeah.
1 year more Central America.
Yeah.
2 years in Central America.
I see.
And in this moment start the pandemic. When start the pandemic, I was in Argentina because in this moment, what happened? When I arrived to Mexico, I was really happy but really sad because it's my destino final.
Yeah.
Final
Yeah, it's
destination.
final
Very
destination.
happy, but it's finished my trip.
Yeah.
Because I thought in this moment, what happened now? Okay, go to Alaska.
Yeah.
Entonces in this moment start the make my papers, my visas, this paper for come Estados Unidos, US and Canada.
Right.
So when the pandemic start, I was in Argentina make this paper.
Yeah.
My motorcycle stay in stop for 2 years in Mexico
Yeah.
in the pandemic.
Okay. So you spent about 2 years then off the road in Argentina before.
Real, I not stay in Argentina because I work in Spain in this time.
Okay.
I travel for Spain. I work in Spain and travel in Africa, in Morocco,
Yeah.
in a motorcycle too,
Right on.
with my girlfriend. And Morocco for me is very cheap,
Yeah.
very nice.
And so in that case, so you came up here to Alaska and like kind of Canada here in 2022, 2023, or what year is that?
And 2023.
2023.
Sí, in 2020, in April the 2023, I come back for my motorcycle
Yeah.
and start my trip again.
Okay.
Yeah.
And so what month did you start this year? What month did you start this year, like resume the trip?
In May.
In May.
Yeah.
So-
May, because my motorcycle stay in Mexico in Cancun
Yeah.
for 2 years, but this is bad because it's a lot of corrosion for the
Right.
ocean.
Yeah.
O sea, when I saw my moto again, very very bad.
Yeah.
Pero I know the stuff, entonces I fix again.
Yeah.
My real problem because it's here in US and Canada and Alaska, no refacciones,
Yeah.
no parts for my motorcycle.
Right.
Like no here, no, it's no the same motorcycle here.
Right. I see.
Yeah, for that is was necessary in Mexico. Very very good.
Yeah.
Because after nothing.
No. So no. Kind of hard to find replacement parts. Then, safe to say.
Yeah.
Okay. And so you started off in May of 2023 this year. So So you started off in Mexico and you drove
in
up
Cancun.
in Cancun.
Yeah.
And you drove up through the states up to BC and then on to Alaska.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
how long did that trip take you?
How long?
Yeah. How long?
This trip?
Yeah.
When finished or how long?
Well, how long has it taken so far, and how much longer do you have to go?
I think it more long is Alaska.
Yeah.
No, real. I was in Tuktoyaktuk.
Yeah.
You know Tuktoyaktuk?
I don't.
It's Arctic Ocean.
Okay. Yeah.
Arctic Ocean here in
Yeah.
North Poland. Claro, this is more far for me.
Okay. So that's as far as you went.
Yeah,
Okay.
because if you see in the map, Canada,
Yeah.
Arctic Ocean,
Right.
and Alaska.
Right.
And
I
this
see.
is North Pole.
Yeah.
And this is more far for me.
Yeah. And so, what was it like, traveling on the road through North America?
Yeah, I really like.
Yeah.
Yeah. In South America and Latin America is different, the culture, but here really like.
Yeah.
The culture is different culture, but I like here the wild. Is for me the best. It's no sé, I can see the life different.
Yeah.
Porque you're real. It's real, no? The bear is real.
Right.
The moose, the bison, the a lot of animals.
You really like the nature then as you're biking then.
Yeah. Sometimes I have a scare.
Yeah.
Because I sleep alone in my tent.
Right.
Entonces all the night is oh shit.
Yeah.
Sorry, pero it's oh shit. I sleep with my machete.
Yeah.
O sea, my tent, my sleeping bag, and all the night is my lighter here and my machete is near to here. Entonces all the night I sleep in the forest. No, entonces I listen. Animals. It's very big the sound. No, it's a small animal, but it's big. Oh shit.
Yeah. So no close encounters then with bears or anything like that, eh?
I think my idea is when I arrive at some place, my first plan is take a lot of wood for good fire.
Yeah.
And make peace. PP around my tent.
Yeah, I see what you're saying.
It's psychology for me, but for me it's real. Okay.
Yeah. Right on. And so in that case, so now you're heading back to Argentina? Or?
Yeah. I think my idea is in 3 December.
Yeah.
Come back to Argentina.
Okay, so over the next 3 months, then you're going to be heading down to Argentina.
Yeah, my idea is travel around here.
Yeah.
Around here. The problem is the winter is coming.
Yeah.
For that, I need enjoy now this place and here more down.
Yeah.
You know. I think my flight is from maybe Seattle.
Yeah. So you're making your way down to Seattle, and then you'll be flying to Argentina from there.
Yes.
I see.
Yeah.
And so are you spending some time in the 100 Mile House area, which is, or?
I don't know. I don't have good road now. Right. So when I talk to people, tell me which place better. You know. Entonces.
For sure.
Yeah. My plan is no plan. Sometimes.
Right.
No? Entonces,
yeah, that's what you're saying.
All the time is I talk with the people, they send you and you tell me, no, Alejandro, you take this road, this is better. Okay, safe.
Yeah.
What I need, okay, go.
For sure.
This is my idea.
I see. And so what brought you down to 100 Mile House here?
Now I going to Cache Creek.
Cache Creek, are you saying?
Real no Cache Creek, more near because now it's late. I going to some lake. Near to here.
There's a lot of lakes near here. So.
Real, I have a dreams. Other dreams, no? Yeah. I have a lot of dreams. My dream is catch one salmon.
Right.
Because I am in Alaska, I am in Canada, it's for honor, no?
Yeah.
Today in the morning I'm trying, but I lost my line. So I buy in your neighborhood the new stuff and I never fish on nothing because I don't like. But I ask with the people, entonces show me how I need, entonces for that I looking for a place with water maybe. Now
I see. So that's why you stopped here. You're getting some new fishing equipment.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Yeah. Now I go into here.
Okay. Oh yeah. So I think that's. Oh yeah. You're going to Green Lake then.
It's nice.
Yeah, I mean Green Lake's very nice. I don't know how it is for fishing because I'm not a fisherman, but
no fishing.
I don't fish myself.
Recién lo dejo a Patrick, la verdad que re contento, me siento como raro pero súper bien de que alguien te haga una nota, te hace sentir como súper importante, pero bueno, vamos para Green Lake, vamos por esos salmones, vamos a ver si se puede pescar ahí, y bueno, este fin de semana es Thanksgiving, así que bueno, vamos a ver qué nos depara la nueva ruta, el nuevo destino y más acampadas salvajes, acampadas guay.